Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon fries with Japanese tartar sauce. Japanese tartar sauce is a little bit different from the Western one. It always has some boiled egg in it. Salmon fries are delicious already, but with this Japanese tartar sauce, it's even better. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this salmon fries with Japanese tartar sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Salmon fillet, it's about 400 grams. Panko breadcrumb, about 1 cup all-purpose flour, some salt and pepper. For the Japanese tartar sauce, 3 eggs, half onion, 1 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 teaspoon dried or fresh parsley, and 3 tablespoons Japanese mayonnaise. Let's make boiled egg first. Make small crabs at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Right after it comes to boil, turn the heat to medium-low and set the timer for 7 minutes. Boiled for 7 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water to cool down. In the meantime, let's prepare salmon fries. I'm just going to cut it into bite size, but it's narrower here and wider here, so let's cut it here. And this wider one into half. Then into bite size. Some salt and pepper on both sides. I'm going to bread them, so let's make butter. So here, I have about 1 cup all-purpose flour. Let's add about 1 cup water. Give it a mix. And the butter is ready, very easy. Dip salmon into the butter. Then panko breadcrumb. Gently press it down so the panko stays low. All done. If you have leftover panko, don't throw it away. You can just keep it in a freezer bag and freeze, and you can use it next time. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of leftover butter. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the perfect temperature. Let's put the salmon into the oil. And I have some broccoli in my fridge, so I'm making them into fries too. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Nice color on both sides, so let's take them out. Looks good. Now, tartar sauce. I'm going to mince half of this onion finely. Let's just cut it into half. Cut the top off and peel. The bottom is on. Make some slit here. Then slice it this way. If fresh onion is too pungent for you, you can release it in cold water, leave it for a few minutes and then squeeze it well. I have 3 boiled eggs I made at the beginning, shell removed already, in the bowl here. Let's mash them. Put the minced onion, garlic salt, dried parsley, 3 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise, all in, and mix it well. Japanese tartar sauce is ready. I have fries ready, tartar sauce ready, so let's serve them. Some lettuce for the better presentation, and fries. Japanese tartar sauce in here, and salmon fries with Japanese tartar sauce is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Generous amount of tartar sauce on top. Itadakimasu. Salmon is so fluffy, panko is very crispy, and the tartar sauce is chunky but creamy, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Salmon fries are main dish, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, how about tuna mayo daikon salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!